Oh, hi. I bought a Sonic Smooth dermaplaner, and I'm going to try dermaplaning for the first time. I charged the thing overnight for 12 hours. It was $99 on Amazon, and it includes the like pre and post wash and 8 replacements because you have to use a fresh edge every time. So let's see how it goes. So first, thoroughly cleanse the treatment area with the included pre-treatment cleanser. It is, removes makeup, dissolves pore, okay. So before using, but it's not called a pre-treatment cleanser. So that's not helpful. Let's see. Ugh. Okay, face is clean. Only a little bit of water on myself. Let's put on a headband to prevent me somehow shaving off all my hair. It's vibrating, guys. Oh, there's no edge in there. I have to put it in. Oh, there is. Easy. It definitely doesn't hurt. Oh God, that got really close to my eyebrows. It's throwing me off that I'm doing this. I would say maybe don't start on your forehead unless you don't value your eyebrows. That's my first piece of advice. Get comfortable before. I feel like I see the most satisfying videos of this when it's coming up here. All the little like peach fuzz. You really can't see anything as I'm doing this, which either means it's completely ineffective or I have way less hair on my face than I thought. And debris, which I don't really buy because most days I actually don't wash my face. Ooh, that's kind of embarrassing, but I don't. Because in the morning, it's just too much. Getting my face wet and then having to dry it, it's like, that's a commitment for the day. I said to avoid the nose, but no one wants a hairy nose, right? All right, I have no idea if anything is coming off. There's like nothing on here. All the videos I watched, you could like see skin like accumulating, which was really the appeal of this. And like everyone has peach fuzz, and yet there's nothing. I waxed my lip. I waxed it myself, so maybe that's a video. So there's nothing happening there. Okay, well this has been kind of an epic fail. This does feel, I mean, the vibrating is a sensation that leaves like an after feel. You know, there's stuff like floating around in the air, but that could just be stuff floating in the air. Now I'm supposed to apply the after treatment gel. That is called after treatment gel, so that's good. And remove the little foil thingy. Bloop. And here we go. So online, I think it said you can do this every 2 weeks. I feel like you want to give your skin time to heal and repair. I'm not a dermatologist. In the pamphlet, it says 7 to 10 days if you really want to get serious with it. You also are supposed to stay out of the sun or like wear sunscreen because you've removed a layer of skin, allegedly, from your face. So that's that. I guess if you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. Beyond that, there's my face.